Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to see how to create an EC2 instance. EC2 instance is nothing but it's a normal computer or a server where you can log in and install our application or services like any other servers. So for creating an EC2 instance, first we need to log into the Amazon Web Service console. So let me click. I'm going to log into the Amazon Web Service console. It will take 1 minute. Okay, I've already saved my password and my username in the Google Chrome settings. That's why I'm directly launched into the AWS management console. So we have to go to the compute service. Under the compute service, we have to select EC2 instance, EC2. So it is highlighted here. Yeah, in the next page, we have to go to the EC2 dashboard. We can see the running instance here, so which is already I have created a few days back. So we are going to create a new instance here. So first we need to click on launch instance. Then we need to select the appropriate operating system. So here I'm going to select Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, 64-bit version. So I'm using the free tier storage instance type, that is T2 micro. You can see here it is mentioned free tier eligible. So we are moving to next configuration settings. So I'll keep the settings as it is. Here we can able to customize number of instance. By default it would be number 1. If I mention it's like 3 or 2, whatever the number, after the creation, automatically after the launch, it will be automatically created that kind of number of instances in the EC2 dashboard. So right now I'm just mention 1 only, just leaving it as default. So moving to the next setting, adding the storage. So it's a default 10 GB is available for the free tier version. So just moving to the next portion. So I'm just adding the tag here. So providing the name here. Okay. Next we have to configure the security group. So here I am using the existing security group. I'm not going to create the new security group. I'm using existing security group which I have already created. So this is the one. Here I have mentioned all the traffics, inbound and outbound traffics I have enabled. So let me review and launch the machine. Okay, here is the settings, security group, and whatever the settings we have mentioned, it is here. Okay, just launching. So I have already downloaded one key pair. If you don't have any key pair, then you have to now download a new key pair. For that, you have to provide a key pair name and just download, and you have to keep it separately in your machine. So in my case, it's already downloaded. So I'm selecting choose an existing key pair. So my existing key pair name is KP new. So I acknowledge and launching the instance. So you can see the instance is pending here. So let me go to the EC2 dashboard. So you can see 2 volumes here, running instance 1. So the running instance, this is the first instance I've already created before starting the session. The second one is still showing the pending status. It will take minimum 1-2 minutes to completion. So guys, now we can see that our EC2 instance is running here, and the status is in initializing status. So let me try to click on that EC2 instance. Okay. So let me show you quickly how to log into the EC2 instance. So I'm just clicking on connect. Okay, I'm just selecting that host name here. It's not necessary to copy from here. You can copy from here as well. Here there is a copy to clipboard option is here. You can just copy here. Then you may need to click your putty. You can mention your host name. Then you need to select that auth option. From here you need to select your key, which I have already downloaded, this is the key. While downloading, the key extension will be PPE. You have to convert it to PPK. So which will be covering into the next session. So I'll be covering next session how to convert that existing PPE key to the PPK key. So without converting also you can able to you can able to log in the EC2 instance. That option also I will be explaining you in the upcoming sessions. So now we can see that we are launching our machine. So we can see we are inside the machine. So this is the way you can create or you can launch an EC2 instance. Thanks for watching guys. So we'll be meeting for the next session. Thank you.